Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Redmi A3. For that you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. So let's open it. So here's been the phone in previously, and here you will have a little card. If we remove this one, you will find on the back of this card another card, and you can flip it out like this, and then you will find here at the back the SIM ejection tool. Just release it. Yeah, otherwise, by the way, you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray, you can insert two SIM cards if you want, next to a microSD card to extend the internal storage. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. It belongs here to the middle. And this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner on the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. It only fits like that. And the contacts, they are below. And if you want, you can add optional also a second SIM card. You need to place it here at the first position. Like this. Take care that nothing jumps out. Same thing here. Missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts, they are below. If you want, you can add also a micro SD card to extend the internal storage. It has the place here at the end of the SIM tray. And this is how it should look like then. So it only fits like that now. But of course you can use it also with one SIM card or two, it doesn't matter. And the contacts, they are below. Okay, if you're ready with it, you can put back the SIM tray into the SIM slot. Take care that nothing jumps out. Close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. I can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.